Hello viewers, myself mgdtamim. In this video, I am going to show you how to use After Effects internal text animation preset. Many After Effects users don't know about the free text animation preset. There is almost 500 text animation and it's totally free. So let's begin the video. At first, you have to open your Adobe After Effects. Then you have to create a text. Now I create a text. Then middle center the text. Text animation make our animation more gorgeous and eye-catching. So use text animation, you have to simply click on the text and go to effect and preset. After a few seconds, you can see this type of option. You have to click the first one, animation preset. Click on this arrow and go to text option. Now you can see many of the text animation preset there. From here you can use it, but you cannot see the preview of the animation. Actually, you can see it from the online. To see the text animation preview, you have to open a browser. I select Chrome browser and search text animation presets gallery. After Effects, then search. Here is the website. You have to click on the first website. Now little bit scroll down, you can see the same option, text option and 3D text animate out, like similar option here. If you click on of the option, you can see the preview of the animation, that is 3D. And if I click on the animate in, you can see the different animation. And if I click on the animate out, you can see other text animation. So there is many text animation. You can see the preview of the text animation by search. Now I am showing how to use it. Simply click on the text. I am going to animate in and select fade upwards. Click and drag the effect to release the effect on the text layer. Now if I preview it, you can see the animation is applied in the text layer. If I want to use other text animation, simply click on this and drag release on the text layer. Now if I preview it, you can see a nice attractive text animation is applied in my text layer. It is very nice to see. Now if I want to use other animation like blur, bullet train is very popular text animation. If I use it in my text layer, you can see, oh, very nice text animation. Now here is the result. You can use many text animation from the animation and preset. It is lifetime free and very easy to use. I hope you will be able to apply this text animation. Thank you for watching the video.